Ogle 2005 Belg 390 LB is an exoplanet located in the Milky Way galaxy. It was discovered in 2006 by the optical gravitational lensing experiment collaboration using the gravitational microlensing technique. It has a mass about 5 times that of Earth. Its temperature cannot be measured directly. However, based on its distance from its host star and its estimated mass, it is believed to have a surface temperature of about -220 degrees Celsius. WISE 08550714b, also known as WISE 0855. It is a brown dwarf located relatively close to our solar system. It was discovered in 2014 by the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer satellite. It is classified as a Y-type brown dwarf. Y dwarfs are the coolest and faintest class of brown dwarfs, with temperatures below 500 Kelvin and -273 degrees Celsius. PSO J318522 is one of the coldest known objects in space. It is a free-floating planet, also known as a rogue planet, and has an estimated surface temperature of approximately 800 degrees Celsius. While this may seem hot compared to temperatures on Earth, but it is relatively cool compared to other astronomical objects and many other exoplanets, so it is considered one of the coldest objects. 2-mass J21268140, also known as Tyche or Nemesis, is a brown dwarf which located in the Tucana constellation. It was discovered in 2013 by Kevin Luhman using data from the 2-micron all-sky survey. It is classified as a brown dwarf. It has a relatively low surface temperature, estimated to be around 127 to 327 degrees Celsius and 400 to 600 Kelvin. WD08066661b is a brown dwarf located in the constellation Volans. It is classified as a T-type brown dwarf. It was discovered in 2011 using the Keck Observatory in Hawaii. T-type brown dwarfs are relatively cool and have surface temperatures of around -273 to 1027 degrees Celsius. It is one of the coolest known brown dwarfs. EULA's J222711004547 is a T-type brown dwarf located in the constellation Aquarius. It was discovered in the year 2007, and like other T-type brown dwarfs, it also have a cool surface temperature. The exact temperature may vary, but it is estimated to be in the range of a few hundred Kelvin and -70 to 500 degrees Celsius.